Namaste. Can good be evil? Let's talk about that. First of all, I'm Ezichiade. This is the Golden Circle Movement channel. If you haven't already, now is a good time to subscribe. Ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Now, can good be evil? Can a person do good work for an organization? Do good work in the name of religion? Do good work in the name of a political belief? And that work degrade others, deprive others of their lives, deprive others of their liberty. Maybe this good work is not so good. And maybe we should question the work of those that we follow and believe in. Because a lot of times, what passes for public opinion and trending and the right thing to do, the appropriate thing, the politically correct thing to do, may oftentimes be a very negative aspect and may not really benefit anyone. But of course, the side that is imposing that negative influence. So, all I would say is this. Type question everything. Question everything in the comments. If you want to know the truth, you must ask questions. You can't just believe, oh, they say so, so it must be true. No, you have to investigate for yourself. You have to look at other sources. I'm not saying you have to believe everything other than the truth, but you must allow yourself the space, at least the variety, to understand one side versus another. So if this is your thing, make sure you type question everything in the comments. Subscribe. Ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Like and share this video. It will help the channel. And if you want to acquire quantum orgonite, use the link in the description. If you want to join me on social media, use those links in the description. Make sure you join the Facebook group. That link is in the description also. If you just want to donate, by all means, use the PayPal and the Cash App links. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.